أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم
पनाह मांगता हूँ मैं अल्लाह की शैतान मरदूत से।
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيम
शुरू अल्लाह का नाम लेकर जो बड़ा मेहरबान निहायत रहम वाला है।
In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Class 9th, Unit number 2, Real and Complex Numbers. Today we will discuss about real numbers. The definition of real number is natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational and irrational numbers are all real numbers. In other words, set of all real numbers as union of sets of rational and irrational numbers. Set of all number as a of union of sets of rational and irrational number. Irrational number. Irrational numbers. Next, rational numbers. Rational numbers. Define rational numbers. The definition of rational number is the numbers of the form P by Q, P divided by Q, where P and Q belonging to Z and belonging to Z and Q is not equal to 0. Its main condition of rational numbers are called rational number. For example, 3 by 1 and minus 4 by 1 etc. Irrational numbers. What is irrational numbers? The number which cannot be written as written in the form P by Q, where PQ belonging to Z real numbers and Q is not equal to 0 are called irrational number. For example, for example, under root 2 minus under root 3 7 by under root 7 by 16 under the root pi are irrational numbers. What is a real line? So it can be represented as this is real line. This point is origin. So one, two, right hand side of the origin, all numbers are positive, and in left hand side, all numbers are negative, -2, -3, -4, up to so on. This is called real line. Real line basically the union of rational and irrational numbers. Depiction of real number on number line. So we discuss this relation. The real number are represented by point on number on line such that each real number k correspond to one and only one point on number line. To locate point on the line L, we first choose an arbitrary point O as origin and associate with it real number 0. This one is 0. The numbers to the right hand side 0, right of 0 are positive numbers. To the left hand side, to the left of 0 are negative. This expression. Some real numbers are located. Right hand side, all positive numbers, and 0 to left hand side, all numbers are negative. So every real number corresponds to point on number line, and every point on number line correspond to a real line. Consequently, the number line is one times called the real line. So it's basic definition of number line. Number line, every real number corresponds to a point on the number line. And every point on the number line correspond to real number, consequently the number line is sometimes called the real line. So it is the basic definition of real line.